I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's my bad. I'm so sorry. I got super distracted trying to figure something out. I'm so late. I apologize. That's my beat. I apologize. All the apologies. I'm so sorry for being late. I got highly distracted trying to figure something out. You know, it would be nice if technology would just do what it's supposed to do, but it never does it? It always just... Yeah. Anyways, it's fine. It's fine. Cool. Looks like we are now at all-time highs. So there goes my bullish bias. I mean, to be fair, it was a little bit bullish when I was watching. I mean, it was consolidating. We went a little bit bullish, and now it just looks like we've been going up, and away. Holy moly. I don't know what I was expecting to come back to. I kind of expected to come back and see that there was a lot of liquidity grabs on the downside. Hold that wrong, but anyways. I'm so sorry. I feel really bad. I know I'm so late, but we're here now. We are here. We're good to go. We're good to go. I wanted to check something. That's what I was doing. I was doing things. It won't let me do the things. I will make it let me do the things. When in doubt, there's always options. Raphael, how's it going? Why? Okay, well, I tried. Okay. So, like I said, I was late. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the plan is for today. Now that I've missed a bunch. Ooh, some nice equal lows down here. Do we think it's gonna come grab the equal lows? Oh my gosh. Quite a few, like, relative equal lows. There's a lot of liquidity sitting underneath here, especially on the ES. This is quite juicy. Okay, let me check out the 15-minute as well. That's just gone. Cool. So we are definitely at all-time highs now. Interesting. Cool. Hey Tony, how's it going? How's life? Hey cute sweet potato. That is like the nicest thing I've ever heard. I don't know why. But being called a cute little sweet potato made me feel really good. Anyway. Have I heard of the high elves? No. No? Why? I feel like... Ah, Tony, you know what? I cannot complain. I can't complain. I think I need to slowly now start increasing my risk. Like the amount that I'm risking. To slowly start getting back up. So I'm in the green for today, so that's good. But now, yeah. I need to start upping it a little bit, which is exciting. Nerve-wracking, but exciting. G, I can, but I'm not the biggest fan of that song, if I'm being honest. I know that will offend some people, but... it's so dumb. Anyways, like I said, I apologize. I think that might offend some people, but oh. Okay, it's hot pass. Let's see. At least I made it in time. Like I said, I got so distracted trying to sort something out that I was late, and I apologize for that. That's on me. Hey Faraj, how you doing? Anu, what happened? Oh, hi Hamid. Hi. How's it going? How's it going? Thank you. Gee, I don't actually know them. I'm gonna have to check them out. Okay, anyways, moving on. Thanks, notification. Noted. Yeah, I do. There we go. Okay, let's see if anything decent pops up for us today. Or are we just gonna be going freaking sideways again? London was hectic. Only at the very end was there actually some momentum. But it took a while. That took a lot of patience. I'm not gonna lie. There was a hell of a lot of patience that went into that. Okay, we've taken the external. Let's check the 1 hour. Okay, well, can't deny the bullish trend, right? Very much bullish right now. Let's see if it's gonna continue that way. Hey, Anonymous T1000. So this is the Nasdaq futures. Tony, are you asking what I'm looking at? Oh, sorry, I was looking at the 15-minute and then the 1 hour chart. Sorry, now I'm back to the 1 minute. Ah, Raphael, I mean, I had 1 loss and 1 win this morning, so I'm up. I'm in the green, so that's cool. No! Okay, this does not look promising. This looks like we're gonna go sideways. Diamante, what up? How are you? How's it going? And apple butter jeans, boots with... Sorry. Moving on. Mike Hunt. Aw, aren't you just so sweet? Thank you. Okay. Raphael, what time is it there for you? She hit the floor. Okay, moving on. Could sing this whole song. Anonymous, what up? Was that cringy? Yes. Shawty got low. Okay, done. All right. To our 10 earlier? No. I was not looking at that, Tony. Global, what's up? How's it going? Can I recommend some free trading robots? No? I don't know any. Chat, does anyone know free trading robots? Sorry. I don't even know about trading robots, to be fair. I do the good old-fashioned do-it-yourself. Oh. No, I got excited. I thought we were actually gonna have a little bit of movement. I mean, ES looks like it's heading up, so that's cool for ES. Apple Butter, what you thinking about for ES today? You gonna stick with the bullish trend? You gonna see if we're gonna have a little bit of a shift down? Elani? It is. It really is. It's gonna now be stuck in my head, so if I get distracted and I start humming a song, we all know what it is. Apple butter? That's valid. That's valid. You know, going with trend, I want to say bullish. Going with the volume right now, I want to say bearish because it's not going any... Well, actually, going with the volume right now, I want to say we're just going to go in a freaking straight line and go nowhere slowly. Let's see. Ruddy Ray, I do not trade Bitcoin. Does anyone here trade Bitcoin? I've heard a lot of people mention it. I don't. I've never really looked into it. Cameron Lloyd, this blue line here, this is the VWAP. Hey, Apple butter, yeah. I mean, this is a pretty decent move now. Is it gonna keep going up though? I need a little bit more confirmation before I want to jump in on this. Like I said, is this a retest or is this it starting to push up? Like I said, again, I need a confirmation. Is this a higher low that's formed now on ES? I mean, this little wick. Yeah. The wick makes me think, You are welcome, Hamid. Mail small? I feel like I butchered that, I'm sorry. Well, I mean, I haven't made anything theoretically yet. I'm still very new and I'm still trading an eval account. No, Sally, are you serious? London had a crazy run after I ended stream. You know, just naturally, right? I looked back and I was like, what the heck? So basically it just consolidated and sat there teasing me before it actually went for the proper move, which I think is really rude. Please don't let New York market be like this then. Again, you know what? I can't complain. I did manage to get 2 trades in. One was a loss, one was a win. So that's good. Are we just going to be going sideways again though? Hey Daniel, what's up? Ready Ray, look into it. Bitcoin outperforms the stock market by 100% every year. Apple butter. Apple butter, you are welcome. I'm just saying. Big Bull, you want to marry me? Where's Vishal? Vishal will fight you. Chairman, go all in on red. Maybe one day when I've made so many profits that I can just buy one and do a YOLO let's full ported trade, I will do that. I am not there yet. Daniel, what's up? Tony, no. No. The blue line is just VWAP. Barrage, what's up? How are you? Big Bull. You're gonna fight someone? Cool. Kenny, yo, how's it going? Oh my gosh. Is everyone now gonna be singing the song? Is this what's stuck in our head for the rest of this trading session? Awesome. You know what? There could be worse songs. Shorty gone low. Oh, gosh. Rolf, hey, what's up? What's up? Thanks, Clinty. Go on then, why not? Ockman, today is a great day to be amazing. I like that. That's awesome. Wow, okay, that's quite a bit of resistance going on, and that 801 area on ES. Like I said, just give him a minute. No, not done. No, okay. Still being a big god dog. Big god dog. Okay, we're good. As I was, okay. No, okay, and walking back out. He's gonna bark again. Part of me is like, I should maybe go check what he's barking at. Another part is like, it's fine. Rolf, are you going long? You know what? I was thinking of the long. So part of me wanted to take... Yeah, let's say I would have used this range. Okay. Let's see if this would have been a win. The only reason I didn't take it is I wanted confirmation of, are we actually heading this way? Is this a fake out? Was this just a bit of a retest before we start going down? You know, I need confirmation of trend before I jump into anything. And this is moving so agonizingly slow today. Anyways. Big Bull, thank you. Prof, I like that. Prof 23, I love that. That is awesome. Othman, is that it? Is my dog busy telling me that I must go and buy this now? I mean, this bit of a push down makes me question that. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Anyways. Rolf, bring him on stream. I can try. He is the best damn dog. Tony, I don't think it's the monkeys because they were here this morning causing chaos. So normally when they've been here once, they're done. So they tend to come in like once, not every day, but every second day, let's say. And then they tend to go away. So he was on a mission this morning. Even at the stables. There were monkeys at the stables. He was having all the fun in the world. Prof 23, not that I know of, no. No, doesn't look like it. Looks like there's no news today. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. Is there any news? Jonas? Hi. Melissa? Oh, sorry. I missed it. I'm so sorry. Hi, Melissa. How are you doing? I'm so sorry. I missed your hi. I missed it twice. I'm so sorry. I was so focused on the monkey situation and the dogs. My bad. Melissa, what are you trading today? Hey, KNT, welcome back. Daily dose of memes, none of the links work. What do you mean? What do you mean? What's not working? Jonas, no, I'm a I'm a Nasdaq trader right now. Apparently, English is leaving the building, but it's fine. Let's see what happens. And we're just going sideways. No, we made up our mind. Not yet. Daily, that's not good. That's weird. Why are they not working? Wait, people want to see you. Come here. Bring your little face this way. No, come here. He's shy. Graham, not great. Daily dose of memes? Pop me an email and then I can send you the links straight away. Maybe that'll work then. That sucks. Has anyone else tried clicking the links? Do they work? Thanks, Raphael. Richard, what up? Who was shy? My dog. My dog is shy. I tried to... Melissa, I was trying. And he was just like, nah. I can show you a picture of him. He needs payment to make an appearance. You're right. I need bribery. I need treats. I don't... Oh! I do have treats. How badly do you guys want to see my dog? Seeming as the chart's not doing much right now. Aw, thanks for the sub, the trade zone. Not trade the zone, I'm thinking of the book now. Daniel, what up? Aw, Raphael, you're so sweet. Richard Hall, link you. Cool. Con, hey, how are you? So this looks like it's headed towards a loss. I'm not in this trade, just saying, because what in the wick is this? Yeah, let's see. I feel like I need to put here, if you want to see my feet, you have to pay me $10,000. And then sure, you can see my feet. But that's the deal. $10,000 or nothing. Make it something crazy, then I never have to do it. Huh, maybe I was wrong. Oh gosh. Oh, do we? Oh. Oh, okay. Prof 23? Oh, almost. I nearly thought I messed that up. Do you think this is why the charts are being like this? This is not great. You guys are so funny. Oh gosh. No, it's 10k solid. 10k or nothing. That's how it works. Smart business. Ah. Okay, Thali, we're making good jokes here. Let's see, Solly, how was your trading this morning? Did you get the whoop whoop, by the way? 1k a turn. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, flip. Guys, you guys are funny. That's how it works, yep. Kiko, how's it going? Kianti, I do not evaluate. You were asking for a friend, there we go. Razzie, you've lost $1 billion. My man, I don't even think you broke me. Okay. Really? You think by London session tomorrow everyone should be done? Prof 23, explain why. Texas! Yo, how's it going? Oh, Nox, I know. That's on me. That's on me. I thought it would be funny. Now apparently I've just encouraged the weirdness, but it's fine. Oh, Solly! Amazing! Whoop whoop! That's so good! Well done! Yeah, no, I think I need to start upping my contracts now, because to have a win and walk away with $35 is a bit... So, I think it's time to start upping it. Kiko, no. I'm so sorry. Melissa, what? Go on, Canty. Okay, cool, Raphael. No, don't worry. I know you were just going along with it. But the problem is some people take it seriously. Aw, thanks for the sub. Hopefully it wasn't for the feed comments, but it's okay. It's okay. We've opened up a whole new weirdness today. Welcome to the chaos. Whoop whoop. Sound. Hey, what up? Okay, LP. Okay. I guess now that I'm getting more confident with it, I can start pushing it. Well, I mean, when the charts actually decide to start doing chart things, we can do that. I'll just sit here and play with my frog. This is not a frog. This is a shark. I don't know why I had frog stuck in my head. I think I was thinking of Kay and his horned toad thing. Graham, that is so cool. That is awesome. Are you excited? TMC. Okay, Ryan, what would that mean for like the market and stuff? Oh, thanks, Raphael. At first I think that any girl who is last week Friday we were expecting huge price swings. Yes, markets purposely delayed. There was some movement yesterday, even short-term sales I got in. Okay, well done, Prop 23. Sorry, right, y'all better watch out when Vishal gets here. Danger. Getting into the danger zone. Kiko. Okay, so Kiko, you're looking for longs. Did I do AMD? No. Achia, no spamming, please, or else Solly will ban. Well, no, he'll put you in a timeout. Maybe he'll ban. I don't know. That's up to Solly. Thank you, boss. The deal was okay. Upscaling, share for. Okay, KNT, and what will that mean for the markets? Graham, you're only 20? Oh my gosh. Okay. Dark Angel, hey, how are you? Yeah, this chop is so much fun. I'm just having the best time with all this chop. On the plus side, London chopped hectically for what? It was like an hour? A little bit longer? London chopped for like an hour and then there was some proper moves. So I'm hoping it's similar. Yeah. Jacob, do I really know what? That's an incomplete sentence. Do I really know what? What do I really know? Punchy, how do you beat the spread? What are you trading? I feel like that's also, because I know some charts the spread is bigger and it screws people. I haven't really had an issue with the spread with the MNQs, to be fair. Also, I would just say, just make sure like your entry is maybe just a tick higher for the spread to make sure you get tagged in. Tony, right? Let's see. Knox, New York is very safe. Yeah. Boss, I'm trading the MNQ or NQ, so the Nasdaq futures, but the macros. Okay, Keg. Start shopping at 9:45 when I want to find something. Yeah, hunt Dark Angel. Of course it will. That's would this have been a win? Yeah. It's headed towards a win. This doesn't take anything else. I must have a look at this. Let's check out this. Let's see. Oh, it could come back into the chop though. I'm gonna... Part of me wants to play it a little bit safe and move it down slightly. Is this a bad idea? I feel like this could be a bad idea. Come on. I'm just hating that it's bearish on ES, but it looks like it wants to be bullish on NQ. Okay. Let me just do 3 because I'm not trusting this one that much. Okay, let's see what happens. Like I said, I'm not trusting this one that much. This could be a disaster, but anyways. Let's see, that got me in quicker than I had hoped / wanted. I did move my stop loss down. I have my shelf, I have my fair value gap. I got my order block, but it's back into the choppy range, and I think it's gonna go down to touch VWAP on ES. Yeah. I don't have high hopes for this one. Let's see. Oh, I feel like I missed things. What did I miss? Apple butter. Really? You don't think ES is really that bearish? You think this is just a proper fake out? Rolf, yes. Hey, Antonio, how's it going? Green Emerald Frog, how are you? Oh no. I did call this one, didn't I? I did. It was a bad move on my part. Oh, it might be another. That's, yeah. Oh, LP, you use the full range. I mean, that's probably smarter. Damn. Let's see. Oh, Antonio. I mean, throw some ideas out there. So some people have given some ideas and they sound really cool. Like I said, I'll pick 4 of the best and go from there. But oh my gosh, there's so many cool ideas. So I'm gonna properly have to have a look. Watch you too. How are you and where am I from? Hi, I am good. I can't complain. And I'm from South Africa. Yeah, where are you from? A banana with a bomb going. Solly. I feel like I have to do that now. All-time high territory, I know. Hello! How's it going? What's up? How you doing? think this is gonna just wake me out and then go up. Oh well, let's see. Damn, that was dark as hell. Hiru, that was dark as hell. Do I think those candles can light my life? That was deep. I mean, if they could, that would be amazing. Antonio, yes I am. I am currently in South Africa. Knox. Noise for Charles' name. Solly. Hey Bob, how are you? Oh, this is definitely gonna take me out. Wait, it's about to have a little tap onto VWAP on ES. Maybe there's a big bounce back. That'll be great. Little tap and then go back up. Okay, had the little tap. Now go back up. See, I'm watching it and I must just stop watching. Future trading TP, you think so? I just think this is, like Antonio said, I think this is just barcoding. I really was hopeful. Now this is gonna take me out. Oh, well, I don't crypto trade, so I can't help you too much on that one. But you can ask chat. When in doubt, ask chat. Chat can help you. No, I'm not using Forex. I'm using the Nasdaq futures. And boom, there we go. Yep, I did kind of see that one coming. That was on me. That came too quickly. See, again, with the rookie mistakes. Like I said, guys, I'm not perfect. I still make these silly mistakes where I should not be making them. But it's fine. LP, you still in this? The LP's in this. That looks really good, damn it. I used the wrong range. Oh well. Let me make note here. This was 3. Yes, this was 3. Trade 3 of 10. Shoot. And 10. Let's add notes. Go. Oh, okay then. Ach no, is it doing this thing where it goes all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down? Next time. Yeah. There we go. Then I have my notes. Then we're done. Sorted. Unstoppable forever. Hey! If only we had a graph for our success in relationships. Okay. That was deep as hell. Oh, unstoppable. Yeah, that's what I do. Gotta track them, right? And make notes. Like I said here, if you guys are wondering, I don't know if you could see, I said, wait for confirmation next time. Do not be in a rush. My fault. Shouldn't have tried to trade in the chop. See? Like I said, rookie mistake. Gotta learn from my mistakes. Don't be a fool. Don't be a chop in the chop. Okay, moving on. Oh, cheers, Graham. Enjoy. Kiko, possible long at 2:05. Okay. Triple TV, not really. No, well, I mean, it's an eval. Not a testing account. Yes, thank you, Noxia. Actually, let me actually, that's a valid point. Let me add that here. Yes. Okay. Listen to, yes, there we go. Thanks, Nox. Appreciate it. Now, if I'd taken the, I'm not taking it, lesson learned. If it's gonna be doing this today, I cannot place a trade where it goes all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, all the way up. That's just a disaster. Okay, so that wouldn't have worked. How about this one? This range looks potentially like it could have. Wait. What, you two? Are you saying I look like the Daphne character from Scooby-Dooby-Doo? Thanks. Oh, Applebutt, yeah. Tony, yeah, I did. I started with a, no, I lied. I started with a bullish bias. So here's the lesson. Whatever my bias is, just do the freaking opposite. Okay. You stupid why? Why are you like this? Sorry, not you guys. This damn VWAP. It keeps bouncing. I've tried to fix it 5 times. I mean, you guys have watched me try to fix this. It was down here just now. It's fine. Hey, Michelle, what's up? Kiko on the 5-minute. I'll have a look at the 5-minute now. You'd usually short here, but when the stock goes higher for low risk, okay. Yeah. Damn, legends. No, I'm from South Africa. Aw. His leg broke. Now he's not gonna pop the foot out. That's sad. Oh well. Moving on. Just because it broke its previous upward trend line. Oh, unstoppable forever? You are? That is so cool. Tony, I have standard. VWAP default. Yep. And the flipping thing keeps moving. Fine. Am I making beats? Nah. Not yet. Anyways, maybe one day. Just kidding. You guys would hate it if I started singing. I go and I sing karaoke, and then every time I do it, I wonder, why do I do this? I'm gonna make everyone here start crying. Not because of how good it is, because of how bad it is. Ryan, what seems like a big risk? Bob, short 200 point stop. Okay, Bob, damn. Yep, what did I say? Yep. I'm gonna need it to stop doing this. I mean, on a higher time frame, this probably just looks like it's going sideways here. Check the 5-minute. Wow. Okay. Okay then, the 1 hour. That's frustrating. Okay, so I'm hoping, let's see, I'm hoping that it sorts itself out so that I can get one more trade in today that's hopefully a win so I can end in the green. You know what, if I end in the red for today, it's not the end of the world. I was green yesterday. I think they just cancel each other out, so I would just say it's break even so far. Jimmy, you do? Yo, what type of beets do you make? And if you say you grow beetroots, I'm gonna be really upset, but also really proud. I'm just like, let's keep moving like Dow Jones. Tony, thanks, Tony. Yeah, listen, VWAP can be quite a good tool, but it's more like a guideline. I wouldn't trust it 100%. You know, it's a little bit like fair value gaps. Sometimes they respect them, sometimes they just do not care. Okay, no, that makes sense, Ryan. Makes sense. Rafa, you sing because it makes you feel good. I love karaoke. That's true. That's true. Like I said, I do feel bad for the people in the small little town because they get to hear me singing weird and wonderful things, but it's fine. No, sorry. Watch you two. There we go. It's okay. You know what? They can't all be winners, right? Yeah. Prop 23. No. I don't know. I don't think I would be very good at that. I'm not the most girly person in the world. If they had to say, okay, you have to curl your hair or do this or that, I'll be like, what? What do you mean? I don't know how to do any of that stuff. Focus, what up? You got rib pain? Do you mean rib pain? Hey, Goshenbug, how you doing? How are you? What convinced me to start trading? That's a very good question. Damn it, wait a second. Sorry, something just clicked in my brain. Shoot. Nope, that would have been a loss. Also would have been, okay, so never mind. None of these are working. Oh well. But see, I needed to pick a direction and go with it, or else I guess we are just not gonna place any trades. I'm saying that like a negative Nancy. We still have plenty of time. I'm sorry, all the hiccups. It'll bounce off the resistance, you're assuming. I mean, yeah. Antonio, yes I am. AMRK as a buy? Ryan, I'm sorry if this sounds dumb, but what do you mean by that? Hey, Prince, what's up? Okay, so... Let's see, Prop 23. I'm not going to place anything until I have confirmation that we are headed in the right direction. And not doing these big jumps back up and down because, I mean, you saw, it just doesn't work for my strategy when it does that. Hey! Kusanagi, how are you? Oh my gosh! Leave me alone. Look, your rib. Do you mean your rib? Not your rib. Your rib. Am I allowed cowgirl? Okay, what do you mean by that, Tony? Am I allowed to be a cowgirl? Stay curious, stay informed by Winner Junior High. That's a mouthful. How are you doing? Lucas, but you gotta. Why do you need to do that? Oh, but sorry, Waterback, sorry. So sweet and simply, let me answer this, and then it answers for anyone who may have been curious. How did I get into trading? So I hope this doesn't sound whatever. Basically, working for people doesn't work if you are a giver. So if people ask me to stay late and work extra hours, I'll do it, but without asking for extra pay. You know, kind of hoping people do the correct thing, but they don't. They just like to use and abuse the kindness. So I'll work overtime, I'll work extra hours, but get nothing extra in return. So yeah, I was chatting about it to my friend the one day, and they do trading, and they then got me into it and taught me like the basics. And then you guys basically taught me the rest, which is super cool. But so, you know, short story long, I got into it because I wanted the freedom, not just financial freedom. Obviously that'll be awesome, but also the freedom to not be controlled by someone else. Yeah, I hope that makes sense. But essentially that's the reason. I hope that answered your question. I'm missing things. For long term, it's trending upwards. Yes. I'm so sorry if I've missed anything. I apologize. Okay. I feel like I've missed things. Sorry. Maya just quit. Why? What do you mean just quit? Wow, Boom Banana's come here. Being sassy. What do you mean? You've come here, Boom Banana, and just been like, just quit. I feel like, Boom, you have to put yourself in a 5-minute timeout. Oh, just saying. Just saying. Exactly, focus. Oh, Canty, cool. Stoppable forever? You know what? I love the honesty. I love the honesty. Nice. Unstoppable forever. Are you profitable? I'm going to assume yes. Yeah. Othman, I'm trading eval account. Fulcus, it kind of looks like that. It's feeling very seek and destroy right now, which is not great. It's why I'm stopping for now. I need some confirmation that we are actually headed in a correct direction. Like I said, you can see here, sorry, I know you guys can't see what it says, but basically wait for confirmation next time. Do not be in a rush. I'm gonna listen to myself. That's what happened there. Oh, Boom Banana, that's what you were talking about. I thought you meant just quit trading. I was like, that's so mean. You've just come in here and you're just like, so useless, just quit. Nearly made me cry, Boom. Damn. Do you really want to see me cry? I don't think I look very good crying, but anyways. KMT, you would like to share your knowledge to all around the world and investors become educated investors. Okay. Damn, Lee, what the heck? Also, hi. That's a lot. That is a lot. What happened? unstoppable. That's awesome. And how long have you been trading for? Sorry. Ah, damn it. Knox here. Boom has power, damn it. Maybe that's the problem. We gave Boom too much power. Wait, whoa. Knight, why? Why is that, Knight? You sound so knowledgeable and sounds like you're doing fairly well. 4-3 is nice. Okay, well done. Well, I mean, you know. One of my affiliates is funded next, so I think they're really good. And I specifically, oh, he's not even here. Only True Trader uses funded next, and he says they're pretty good. And yeah, like I said, I try not to get any affiliates that are not good with regards to payouts. I do research. So all of the prop firms I'm affiliated with are good with regards to their payouts. You know, on that note, if you do want to open a new prop with any of my affiliates and you want to use my affiliate code, that would be awesome. Thank you. Kusanagi, what's up? Congrats on what? Othman, you are welcome. I hope that, sorry, I don't know if that helps you a lot, but oh, Unstoppable Forever. Yeah, like I said, I got quite a few and they're all really good. Obviously, it just depends on what you're looking for. Like some of them you can go straight to funded, some of them you can't. So, you know, it depends on who you are as a trader, which prop firm will work best for you. But all of them are really good. Yeah. Can you guys just guess what I just read? Because anyways, moving on. Unstoppable Forever, that's been coming up a lot. Is that really a thing that people are doing? The whole AI algorithm thingy mabobby, is that really a thing that's happening? Yeah? Has anyone used it or tried it? I don't know, I'm more of a, I know it's ironic because here I am on the stock market, but I'm more old school. Like, I say that. I guess I've evolved a little bit. I used to very much be more old school. Like, I was a bit of a granny when it came, I'm sorry, I'm saying like a lot. I heard that and I annoyed myself. I was a bit of a granny with regards to technology, but I feel that I have grown quite a bit, so that's cool. And the more you know, right, you gotta evolve with the times. Khan, what up? KMT, interesting. Mo, hi. Exodus, well, I mean, this is basically it. I got my VWAP. The lines here are just basically points of interest slash liquidity sweeps. So it gives me an idea of where it could be headed towards. Like I said, I got my VWAP as Confluence. This right now is just choppy as hell. And then when I place my strategy, let's pretend I'm looking for a short here. It would look like this. Yeah. Like I said, I'm not going to trade in the chop. My strategy does not work for the chop. Oh, it just took some liquidity on ES. Okay. My strategy does not work for the chop, but then essentially my entry is at 50% of the range. Stop loss is at 30% and PP is at 2R. there's obviously more. Like there's confluences that I look at to make it an A+ strategy or setup, not strategy, A+ setup. But yeah. Sorry, that was very, very quick, very brief. There's more obviously that goes into it, but just to give you an idea. Night? Okay, wait. What's the setup that you had that you haven't been able to follow? I've done one, but only as a paper trading so far. I'll try to make it go live by next year. Oh, okay. Thank you, Kusanagi. I appreciate it. What happened with the scam? Who got scammed and what happened? I'm curious and sad for you. That sounds mean. You know what I mean. Greetings from Turkey. Hey, lone kid. That's a very sad name you got there, but hi from South Africa. See, you're no longer alone. You got this great community here. Okay, interesting, Canty. Solly. Okay. Michelle, yeah, of course I drink water. Who doesn't drink water? Water's good for you. Hey, Nox, yeah. Oh, I forgot, Nox. You hopped on late yesterday. Oh my goodness, finally. Okay, took out those equal lows and, well, and the relative equal low with it on ES. Awesome. Do we now have confirmation? Are we finally doing this? Need a little bit more confirmation that it's not going to just start going all the way up again. And then I'll look at potentially popping in on a trade. Like I said, I need the confirmation, just wait, be patient. Patience is key. Bob making it rain. Hell yeah, Bob, let's do this. I love it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Anyways. Huh, Michelle, that's a good question. Where is Thomas? Meditation gym, yeah. I mean, night, but maybe you're setting it too high. Maybe you're giving yourself too many things to do. Sorry, this is gonna get a little bit deep now, but anyways. You have to start with one thing. Like every day you want to just meditate. If you say every day I want to do this, it seems impossible, so you do not do it. Just say every day I want to go for a walk. It doesn't have to be a long walk, but I just want to go for a walk. And then you just start doing that. Then you start to add on to that. When the walk feels like normal, then you go, okay, now every day I want to add something else. Sorry, I'm saying this from experience. I do that all the time. I give myself these goals. I'm like, no, every day I'm going to do this and this and this. And then my little brain gets overwhelmed by it. And I do none of it because I'm like, it's impossible. I'm not going to do it. Sorry, that's just my 2 cents worth with regards to that. Gorschenbach using buy now. Stop profit take loss. That's what happened to me. Oh, Othman. Yeah. Raphael, what's up? Oh, thanks, Canty. Knight, you are so young, my man. You are so young. Oh my gosh. Oh, Jordy, whoop whoop. Are you then done trading for the day, you lucky little fish? Thank you. 25,205 needs to tap before the long. It's close. It's really close. Jordy, yeah, sure. Knight, too old. What? You're 25. You're a baby. Are you talking to me, Unstoppable? Hey, nice, Jordy. Aren't you just a lucky duck? I made the mistake of trying to jump in too soon. And see, now my brain wants to contemplate hopping in on this. But I feel like it's a bad idea. Let's see how quickly I would have been stopped out, because check. And stopped. Wow. Wow, that would have sucked. Oh my gosh. Okay. Unstoppable forever. Am I on Twitch? I am. Yes. But again, Knight, make it like reasonable. Oh, what? Are you serious? And what? Okay. Okay. Yeah. Seek and Destroy Day. I do agree with that. ES is not bad, but this is rubbish. Anyways. Hey, Boom. So, Boom, have you even placed a trade today or not really? Hey, Mohammed, what up? Willifru, how are you? Oh my gosh, Raphael. Oh no. Nice, okay. Hey, nice. What up? What up, Maria? How you doing? Boom, you were up $141. Nice. I was up 35 and then I had that loss. And now I'm down. Oh well. Willifru, you're up now? Nice, nice. What time is it there for you? Okay, enjoy, Vishal. Have fun. That was awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, thanks for the sub, Life Sound. Love you, bye. It's because Solly didn't give you the sauce today. Ah, Boom Banana, I get it, I get it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Just blame it on Solly. Othman, I only started in April? April? Yeah, only in April. I say only, it feels like we are nearly there again. So that's frustrating. I guess they would have been the right place. That would have been a wick out, which would have sucked. That would have tagged me in, but if I did the full range, it would have missed me. Before going back down. How would. Okay. Oh, really? That's interesting, Maria. Gortenbag, yes and no. I try not to go against my strategy. Not against my strategy. You know, I want to try and follow my strategy properly without just doing market buys and market sells, because that's what screwed me in the past before. Okay, guys, maybe we can get some trades in. Maybe we can get some trades in. Let's see. It's hit that 205 zone. Is it going to keep going down? Oh, Geordie. Oh, no. Oh, no. Well, yeah, unless you like that, I guess. I don't know. Thanks, Raphael. Focus, do I like Black Label? I mean, I will drink it. I'm not gonna say I will choose it over other things though, but yeah, I'll drink it. Deadwolf, what up? What? Oh, I got it. Never mind, that took me a second. That was embarrassing long for me to understand what you're going on about. Oh, thanks, Maria. I hope so. I hope so. Yo, Geordie, tell him. Come on, focus. If you're buying, that's the deal. Jason, hey. Abraham, hey. How's it going? 777 gamers, hi. Am I trading what? Okay. Okay. We had confirmation. I have a shelf there. Okay, let's see. I've got this. This. And oh, not that one. Guess I can keep it at that one. I just don't think it's gonna come and get me. Damn, I don't think it's gonna come and get me. Right, LP, this looks good. I just don't know if it's gonna come this high up. I got my shelf as protection. I got a decent fair value gap. Hopefully it respects these. Let's see. Lil, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures, the micros, to be specific, so the MNQ. Jason. Yeah. Lil, both. I trade both the London and the New York session. Maria, Maria, you use AI Does it work? Well, no confirmation, just bears today. Jason, what do you trade? Oh, that's not looking great. Okay, well. Let's see what happens. Maybe it's just not my day today, and then I call it. John, oh no, what happened? You have a really bad cold? I'm so sorry. Lil, you've been selling all day, making fat stacks. Do you want to share the love here? I'm just saying. No? Be nice if you could share some love. Oh, nice, Jason. Okay, and now? That's still what you do? Do you do something else? What's your thing? Maria, is this just for you? Is it something you're wanting to potentially sell to people? Yeah. Oh, damn, Jason. Okay, why? You two are just trouble. Can I just say, you two are just trouble together with a capital T. Oh damn, Jason, that's cool. Do you want to come fix my car? It's being a problem. $10 profit. Thanks, LP. Yo, guys, so LP thinks if we press that like button, these candles will hopefully dump a little bit more. Let's see. I'm in the 10 trades where I'm not allowed to go break even. I'm trying it out. Let's see. Let's see. Jordy. Yeah, I'm trying not to get my hopes up. Hey D, oh, he's doing so well. So yeah, he had his horse sickness vaccination today. Yeah, it's just been one of those. You know when you, sorry, I can go on a rant about that as well. But he's good. I think the point is that he's good. Gets treated better than I do. He's seen the dentist, he saw a chiro, he gets massages every day by me. Like an absolute spoiled brat. Oh, thanks, Maria. Let's see, I'm trying not to look. So you guys are the best distraction ever, because normally I would look and panic and get emotional. Now it's just hands off. Leave it alone. Just leave it alone. Fibonacci is my downfall. Why, Lil? You traded for about 12 years. Ooh, Jason, okay. Were you profitable in those 12 years? I'm assuming, I don't know, I know it's bad to assume, but were you? Why, Geordie? You rode once. What happened? Are you a little bit sore? Focus, yes, basically. And if I want to compete in the future, they have to have their vaccinations. And the African horse sickness is terrifying. Terrifying. I do not want my horse to have that. Jordy, that was quick. That was quick. All in the palms, really? Yeah, I have a little thing that I use on my horse. He likes them, so that's fine. Thanks, Maria. I mean, that's valid. That's valid. But so horse riding, I don't think people realize how much it works the muscle like the core and. You don't even realize it's working, but it works. Oh, apple butter. Oh my gosh. So, it's fixed now, thank heavens, but basically the radiator blew. So that was fun. And then while they were having a look at everything, they were like, ah, I see here there's a little oil leak. And you know, when you go to the mechanic and then they just spot 1,000 different things wrong. So I got it all fixed, which is great, but it cost a lot of money. But at least it's fixed, it's reliable. So I guess you gotta take that with it. Knox, it's bad. Knight 168 is reversal point for today using. Oh, okay, yeah. After it's taken that liquidity, nice. I agree with you. Max, I trade the Nasdaq futures. Huh. Okay. Sorry, it sounds like the monkeys were back, but I'm like, why are they? Anyways. Christinelle, I'm using, yes, some of their concepts. Not all of them, but some. Oh, okay, cheers, Maria. Nox, will I die? I guess it depends on where the horse kicks you. If it kicks you in the head, not great. And how hard it kicks you. I have a dent in my leg from a horse. They swatted a fly and I was in the way. I was trying to help them and they swatted at the same time and they didn't even kick me. I was in the way. I have a dent in my muscle from that. He was huge, don't get me wrong. This horse was massive, but still. Oh, Jordy, don't ever say that again. Oh, don't ever say that again. Nox, right. Right. I think this is gonna come up and screw me. But I'm trying the no break even. I'm trying. It's, yeah, terrifying, but that was the deal. That was the deal. So I'm doing it. I'm sticking with it. Ooh, a boom banana deal. We're going to Nando's to make Jordy happy. Yeah, Jordy, don't worry. I got you. I got you. Hey, Jason. Well, I mean, so I use the 1 minute. I use the 1 minute charts. I mean, I kind of, no, in general, I execute my trade with the 1 minute charts, but I get confirmation normally from the 5 minute, and I use the 15 minute and the 1 hour to see market structure. Night, set and forget the trade. That's exactly. I know, Apple. You guys are doing amazing. You guys are doing amazing. It's okay. Boom banana, chill. Boom banana can. Rubble, no, this is not Forex. This is not Forex. This is the Nasdaq futures. Guys, I think you guys are actually just here for Solly. In my opinion. It looks like you guys are more here for Solly than you are for me. I don't know if I should be offended or not. Solly, it looks like me and you are gonna have to do a co-stream one day. Chiba, hi! I'm good at you. How's it going? How's it going? Jason, what's my favorite technical tool? Probably just my GAN box. I don't actually use a lot of technical things. Maria, nope, we're still in it, Maria. We're still in this. No, Knight, you are correct. I would have been break even. It hasn't hit yet though, has it? Guys, just send like a whoop if it does. Like I said, I'm whoop, whoop, there it is. Whoop, there it is. Ha da da da, amazing. And I even placed more, so we are now up $116. Awesome. Ah. Woo. Good, good, good. Cool, cool, cool. That was good. Knight, you were correct though. If I had gone break even, that would have been a break even trade. But now it was a win. Now we're in the hello! Come here. People want to say hi. Time to celebrate with caviar. No, I think we can celebrate with puppies. Hi. He looks so unimpressed with me right now. Wow. Wow, that was the face of. Thanks, Chima. Yeah, maybe Chima is my good luck. W's in the chat. Whoop whoop. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Maria. Thank you. Yeah, that was good. Knight, valid. That was stressful, but it was good. Let me make notes quick. So winning with hiccups. Oh my gosh, these hiccups are driving me crazy today. What is going on? Nice. 19. And entered. I'm not typing English today at all. Let me add if it was break even. Nope. Here we go. Okay. This is trade 4. Huh. Trade number 4. Nice. Wrong thing. That's not what I'm doing. We go. I see all the messages popping up. I will respond now. Okay. That was good. That was good. It's now consolidating on ES, but it's moving down on NQ. Are they just taking turns? NQ had to consolidate first while ES moved down, now vice versa. Anyways. Yep, no, you're right, Knight, you're right. Mara, hi. Oh, thanks, Chima. Whatever, yeah, a little bit. And, oh, do you know what it is? Maria, I don't mind it. Can you not see it? So, here we go. I have everything, literally, I've put everything up so that there's no secrets here. So my balance, my P&L for the day, so I'm up $116 for the day, which is not bad. Right, Knight, that's it. Hey, Benny, what's up? In a mind trick, how many contracts did I use? I think I only used 3. I need to start upping it now a little bit. These choppy charts are just making me doubt things. It was a better momentum day, movement day, whatever you want to call it. I probably would have placed more, but I didn't. And that's also fine. I will get braver. Oh, there it is. Geordie, I appreciate that. I'm just gonna go with it because you guys keep me distracted. Chima, so is today's target completed? I mean, yes and no. I'm only up theoretically 2R because I've had 2 wins and 2 losses, so however, you know, green is green. If another trade presents itself, I will have a look at it. If being the key word here, because it is now starting to wick out. Yeah, so let's see if another trade presents itself. If not, like I said, I'm not going to be upset about ending in the green. I think that's called statistical arbitrage. What's that, Maria? Oh, Chima. Oh, no, sorry. So, yep. Oh, that would have pissed me off. That's what that would have done. That would have pissed me off. Anyways, so the 4 of 10. So last week, Knight had the good idea because I was lacking confidence in, I don't want to say my strategy because I enjoy my strategy, just taking the trades because the previous week was a very red week because it was kind of like a seek and destroy week. So when the chart is like that, it just doesn't work for my strategy. So Knight had the very good idea of just take 10 trades. Just stop overthinking it, just take them. So that's what I did. So I took 10, and while doing that, I realized, actually a lot of you pointed out that the break even then makes no sense because I think, I could be lying, but there were 6 break evens, 3 would have been wins, 3 would have been losses. But then at the end of the day, because of the 1 to 2R strategy, that then means that I would have been in profit if I hadn't have gone break even. So then I said, okay, cool. Then the next 10 will be just 10 trades where I do not go break even. And voila, that's what I did. So this is 4 of 10 where I do not go break even at all. Maria is on Twitch. I don't know if YouTube gets upset if I say that. She's on a different platform. There we go. Crow, not 1 second, no 1 minute charts, Crow. Raphael, thank you. Paris, hi, how are you? Mo, why? What's happening with gold? Oh, good question, Maria. I'm actually not sure. I mean, probably down, in all honesty. Probably down. I haven't hit profits yet. So I'm probably still down. I'm getting there. Slowly but surely, I'm getting there. With my previous strategies, I probably would have blown this account already, for being honest. So this is really good. This is really good. Jordy, why are you asking Bob if he's seen Game of Thrones? We take the range with quick moves. So Knight, those are the better ones. Those are like the A+ setups. Yeah, so you're talking about like this one. That's why I try not to trade in the chop. It's not fun. It doesn't work. And like you said, it takes forever. That makes sense. Chima, so I think you should chase only one more green, strong green, where you just have the confirmation from all perspectives. Chima, yeah, that sounds good. That's bad. Raphael, hi. Chima, go green? Yes. Willapru, you've never seen Game of Thrones. I mean, to be fair, I haven't finished Game of Thrones. I didn't like all the animals dying. So I'm one of those, I can watch. This sounds bad. Maybe I shouldn't say this. But you know, I can watch people on screens being killed. That sounds terrible. Yeah. But the second an animal is hurt, I cannot watch it. So fun fact, Harry Potter, I think it's the third one with the hippogriff. I think it's the third one. Prisoner of Azkaban. I think that's number 3. Anyways. Yeah, I can't watch the part where Sirius Black is in his dog form and he cries. I had nightmares with regards to that, but everything I'm fine with. So yeah, I can't watch movies or series where the animal gets hurt, or else I get nightmares. But if the people get hurt, it is what it is. Michael, will we getting rich? I mean, yeah. Jordy, you and Nando's. Maybe, actually, you know what? Nando's sounds good. I haven't had Nando's in a while. Maybe I should get nope. Diru, can you trade your fat for some profits? I mean, that's the dream, isn't it? Marlowe's, hi, how are you? Raphael, hi again. And Rochelle's back, hi. Ooh, Willifruit, yeah, that's not bad. Nox, like I said, yeah, whoops, here we go. Like I said, this would have missed me by a tick, and that would have pissed me off. Someone was asking how many pips. I don't really use pips, but I can tell you how many points. This was a 27.5 point trade. Let's say 30 points. Hell yeah, Maria, hell yeah. Luckily you did. Jordy, right. But Buckbeak lived, so that was fine. It was just, yeah. You don't know that in the moment. You're like, yeah. Bob, you've seen Game of Thrones? Poor Man's Trading Podcast. Hi. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Abraham, so sweet and simply, there's no other reason apart from I started. Oopsie. I started with futures and I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping around. Sweet and simply, that's it. That's the only reason. Hello. Night reversal area at 160. I remember you saying, let's see, I'm curious to see if it is or if it's just gonna keep, whoop, okay, took liquidity on ES also. Oh, Jeff, that's an interesting question. I don't know. I think, unfortunately for me, with the sport I enjoy, to retire is dumb. Horses are expensive, so yeah, probably not. Oh no, I'm sorry. They're very strict. Well, good series, terrible ending. Night, I'm thinking downtrend the rest of the day by the looks of things. Ooh, okay, apple butter, have you gotten any trades in? Oh, Solly, aren't you just a cool kid? You're part of the whales in the market, nice. 122 next area. Thomas K, yes, but I'm assuming you're still in this, right? You held for a holy cow. Oh my gosh, someone is cooking. And it smells so good and I'm so hungry. Oh, that's so rude. I need to go knock on their door and be like, sharing is caring. Give me some food. Okay, Maria, I mean, that's valid. That's valid. Got in on grabbing liquidity. Blocked liquidity and got out the new load. Nice. Profile. No. Well, I work more than one. I look after more than one, but oh no, I do have two. I keep forgetting about my retired horse. That's so rude of me. I do actually have two horses. I have also a retired horse, but she's living her best life. Yeah. Wilfred, no, it smells like maybe a curry. I'm not actually sure, but it's or stew. It could be a stew. But it smells really good. Hell yeah, Thomas, this is crazy. I mean, Thomas, that's not bad though. Apple butter? No. You know what, to be fair, I also thought it was. I started this saying I have a bullish bias. That's why I took this. I was bullish bias, but I guess you gotta stick with what is available. So it's gonna keep just going down, down, down. I mean, yeah. Hell yeah, Chima, this is crazy. This is a crazy bear. Started your short in pre-market and got stopped out. Night, I'm so sorry, that sucks. Thomas, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry. Kind of bounce on the monthly viewer. Eh. Is that even gonna happen though? Have I seen a bull in bed's clothes? No. Diru? No. Is this the dip? It kind of looks like it. Derek? Wow. Yep. Just wow. Full story gaming. What? You think we're about to go to the moon? No, my guy. We've just gone to the center of the freaking earth here. I don't know if we're gonna go to the moon now. I think we're about to hit the core. Okay. Anyways. We have new week opening range to target. I didn't think it would hit. Really? You didn't think it would hit that soon, Night? Othman, really? Oh, NDQ. I thought you said NQ. I was like, what? That's valid, Derek. That's valid. I did. Jordy the trader? I don't know. There's chaos. My Vinny, hi from South Africa. Michelle, oh gosh, why? This is gonna be bad. Jason, where's the next bottom? It's coming, I think. Okay, let's see. Let's see. We really think this is gonna be a buy now? In all honesty, I'm too scared to get in on this after it's taken so much liquidity. I'll need proper confirmation that we are gonna continue going down. I mean, how big was this? That was a 137 point drop right there. What? That's insanity. Oop, no, butchered that. Wow. That would be 40 points for my stop loss. My trade would be 83, let's say 84 points. That's a little bit hectic. I don't think I'm gonna do that. That's an itty bitty bit too much. Yeah, Knight, this is hectic. Butlam, I've only been trading since April. What happened to the core puppet? What? Oh, Jeff. So, I mean, I've been riding since I was 3 years old. Yeah. I grew up with them, and I've been riding since I was 3 years old. I wish I didn't enjoy them, literally. It would make life easier because they're so expensive. But, alas. All good reversals have a second drop. You think so? Do it, YOLO. Nox, no. When did you become... Where's Mark and O been? Sorry, that made me just realize I haven't seen Mark and O. Huh. Anyways. When did you become the bad little voice in the back of my head? You think so, Jason? And that's it. I don't do anything. Yeah. Right, Solly? Where is Mark? Raphael, you've never been on a horse. That's good. Oh gosh, you guys are so bad. Last time it's gonna go up. So Othman, you think it's gonna go up? Think of the profits. My guy? No, that was scary. Scary stuff. Nox, honestly, are you just like taking Mark's spot here? What the heck happened? Actually, oh. Was it the hourly closing? Ew, chaos. Let's quiet that down. It hasn't reached it. On the 1 hour. this actually could still be going down a little bit more. 15 minutes. Okay. Okay. This looks like it wants to start going up. Right, we have no reason to start going higher just yet. You're one gamble away from freedom. Okay, are we all getting in on this now? Honestly. Michelle! What's up? Jeff, no, so they stable at a stable yard. I wish. I mean, I used to live on a plot, and then my horses lived with me on the plot when I was growing up. That was awesome. Unfortunately, I don't have a plot now. Also, plots are expensive. I feel like everything just keeps breaking on plots. I don't know if it's worth it. Kiko, what? Good explosion? What's up? What happened? We're dropping 980 area. That's 65% chance. Okay, I mean, try cheering the stock on. And Hamid, you think it's going up? Bob, we ball? Bob, do you think it's going up? Kenneth, I told you, I woke up like this. Literally, I haven't brushed my hair. This is it. Then I just pop a little headband on. That hairstyle done. Check 960. What? Oh. I thought, okay. You guys are such bad influences. Such bad influences. Huh? I mean, I could just do one micro. Okay. Okay, Bob. Okay. Oh, thanks, Raphael. I mean, Willifred, that's what we like to think, right? Or do you know what? Maybe if you just like the stream, it'll hear the cries of happiness and it will just say, yeah, let's do it. Except it is nearly lunchtime and this is when liquidity, not liquidity, no volume, that's it, tends to dry up. So is that just a massive move before consolidation? And now it's just gonna chill? Nakabamba, you still think it's gonna break down? Michelle gave us a game. Eddie, I've only been trading since April. Where's Colt? Did I get that big bump? No, I didn't. Sorry. I'm assuming you did, though. Yeah, Jeff, that's why I'm not getting in on this. This trade would be hectic. I'm keeping it up out of curiosity, right? Let's be smart with our money, guys. I'm in the green for the day. Let's maybe not go and risk it all. I don't even know if this would have... This could have ticked me in. Maybe it didn't. I don't know if this would have ticked me in. I think it depends on the spread. This may have missed me. Curix had a theory about green trades and liked stream. Yeah, he did. Where is... I have not seen Curix. Oh, here we go. I have not seen Curix. I wonder where he went. You call that the staircase to profit. Bulletproof, that's nice. I like that. Knight, you still think a drop once more and then a reversal. Thanks, unstoppable favorite. Yeah, I'm gonna stick with my rules, guys. Right, discipline is key. I'm probably gonna kick myself if it does come back down. However, I'm gonna be jumping up and down with joy if it would have hit my stop loss. Risk management. I just have to keep telling myself risk management. Hey, Rafa, yeah. 80, nice. How's it been going for you? Oh, thanks, Ted. Be happy. That's very sweet. Michelle, you can't ask me that here. I actually curse like a sailor, but I keep a PG-13. It's gonna reach to 25. Really? Othman, what makes you say that? Yes, Wes, yeah. I mean, Jewett J, damn. I mean, if you have that capital, go for it, I guess. I flip who? What? Okay. It's, well, is it? It's not really close, so this is my stop loss. This is my entry. The only confluence I have is the fair value gap. That's the problem. The only confluence I have for this trade is a fair value gap. Which is not ideal. That's not an A+ setup. I will need a few more things for it to be considered an A+ setup. Like I said, I'm going to kick myself if this does go back down after it's just ticked in. But I think I'll kick myself harder if it hits my stop loss. Oh, thanks, Ernest. Yansa TV, hi. Oh, thank you, Nakambaba. What did I just say? I butchered that. I'm so sorry. Nakabamba. There we go. I apologize. I don't know what just came out of my mouth, but anyways. Oh, thank you, Jeff. Thank you. What is some grandma doing live? Thank you. Oh my gosh, someone thinks I look old. How cool. Anyways. Oh, flip. But damn, if you think I'm a grandma, what are you looking at? That, anyways, ooh, well, that could have gone down a very dark street right there. Moving on. Next week. Ah! I missed it. Reason behind is that next week opening range is such a strong liquidity magnet. Since we are so close to it, that should be logical area. Knight, I hear you. It should. Should being the keyword. Does it always listen though? Me? This looks like it could go down. You guys are right. This really could go down again. Yeah, we're done for today. Jordy, you think so? Boom Banana, what up? I heard Amaya. What's up? Well, I read Amaya. Bert, I mean, do you have 3 billion? Brian, I trade the Nasdaq futures. I'm trying to, sorry. West Cold, sound like One Piece. What? What sounds like One Piece? Eddie, it's been going great. Still ways to go till I hit... Eddie, so the moving average helped you. Are you profitable? Do you use prop firms? What's your go-to? And what do you trade, Eddie? Dude, I don't think... This is why I'm not taking it. Oh, watch. Now it's gonna go down. Maybe it was a good entry. My bad. Zafar. How old am I? How old do you think I am? Apparently I'm a grandma. Williford, I mean, I could probably, if I tried hard enough, kick myself in the face. But anyway, that's random. Bigger moves which leads to bigger range. I look like a fine wine. Gosh, I was just called old again. Anyways. Oh, buy now. No, don't buy. Do not buy. Boom banana? I don't know. Could it be reversal? It could potentially be reversal. I wanted to maybe get in on the short, but I didn't think it was worth the risk. Maybe I was wrong. It looks like it potentially wants to go back down. In which case, that's my bad. Oh, not. Oh, okay, that makes sense. Huh. Hey, Zeus of Liquidity, what's up? Oh no. Oh no. Brian, yeah, this candle was huge. Oh well, let's see what happens. Oh, Zavar, you think I'm 25? Thank you. No, I'm actually turning 27. So Eddie, you prop firm trade NQ futures, cool. Moving average sometimes acts like a magnet for prime. Interesting. I mean, I have my VWAP, but oh my gosh, this is going to go down. I am probably gonna kick myself, but it's fine. Sold the market open and sell it. Yeah, I know. Go on SM, what's up? West Cold, okay. Well, you think it's only going to come up later? I mean, but isn't it technically around lunchtime? Isn't this where everything kind of dries up? It kind of looks like it's drying up. Let's see if this would have dropped down for a win. Part of me hopes it doesn't, just because I'm going to feel dumb for then not taking the trade, but if it does, then you know for next time. Oh, thanks. Thank you. I think it's just the assets, Brian. Good question. You thought I was 21? Those on lunch break buying in maybe will it interesting. I don't know. You're asking the wrong person for financial advice, my guy. I'm not profitable yet. I'm still figuring things out. Anyways, let's see. Like I said, I'm genuinely curious to see if this does hit. But I think this might just chop for a little bit. I could be wrong. It did have its chop time. Nope, I clearly wrong. Let's see. I'm just saying, if this is a win, this then was a beautiful entry. Literally just tagged in and now going down. Was this going to be some more seek and destroy action where it just starts to mess around again? I'm going to give it a little bit more time, but it looks like things have dried up. You know, just as I said that. Just as I said that. It's going to come prove me wrong. Damn it. Zeus of liquidity. Today I've made $116 in the green. So that's good. Your math. Batimur. It's fine. Cheers, Lil. Hopefully see you tomorrow. Yeah, valid. Lil, see you selling tomorrow. You think it's gonna keep selling tomorrow? Interesting. Okay. Oh, thanks, Nox. Thank you. Maybe I should listen to that little voice, eh? You. Solly. I love that. That is amazing. Yes, valid though. I've come to realize. That's what it is. Oh, thanks, Raphael. Oh, man. Okay, I'm gonna stick around and see if this would have hit TP. Then I'm gonna go scream into a pillow. I won't. Will I? Nah, I won't go scream into a pillow. I'm in the green for the day. There's nothing to be screaming about. It just tapped onto this liquidity on NQ. Just took out the low on ES. Okay, maybe not. That's the retracement done. Bear time, Jason, you think so? Zeus of liquidity, really? You want to see some gaming live? You want to see a lot of screaming? Yeah. I'm terrible at shooting games. Terrible at shooting games. And I scream like a little baby. Because I do. I'm like, ah, I got it, and I panic. Anyways. Let's talk about my profit today. I told you it was like $116. It's not, I mean, why am I being so negative? It's green, it's good. It's $116. That's really, really good. Yeah, that's just me being greedy, thinking, you know, it could be more. Midweek sale like this will go till Thursday at least. Really, Lil? You think this is going to keep dropping until Thursday? Brian, well, you say that, Brian, but yesterday the market was asleep, fast asleep. No, that's valid. Nakabamba, that's valid. John, I haven't watched Demon Slayer. I haven't. I really want to. Oh my gosh. Seriously? This would have me upset. This would have me really upset. What the heck? That was right near where my TP would have been. Would have been. Not say. Let's not say was. Would have been. Nox, chess game live. Oh, I've been slacking on my chess practice. I need to actually maybe do that tonight. I must go practice some chess so that one day I'll be good enough to have a session with you guys. Pratam, hi. Where's called BBW Kennels? Yes, baby steps, right? Baby steps. Theoretically, I only found the strategy and I've only started using it since August, so it's only like a 2-month-old strategy. And so, you know, yeah, baby steps. Jay said I'm not in it. Ju and Jay, happy birthday then. Oh yeah, no, 100%. There's always some bumps in between. Thanks for the new subscriber. I appreciate it. Yeah. Why? Why are my things not working? That makes no sense. Someone... Boop, there it is. Cool. I'm gonna call it there. Because now I'm just gonna be salty. So, I don't think you guys want to see me be salty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jordy, I mean, I can pop on now and play with you. That sounded weird. You know, I'm talking about chess. Okay. Moving on. Okay. Guys. I'm going to call it there because, like I said, I'm just going to be salty now for the rest of the evening. It's fine. It's fine. I think it's going to dry up soon. There we go. Unstoppable. Send your link. Go on then. Unstoppable forever. Yeah, you can play if you want to quickly pop your link and then Geordie can. I have Geordie. I have Geordie as a friend on the chess. But yeah, the plan is I think chess could be quite fun for all of us to play. Anyways, moving on. Oh, interesting, Nakabamba. Zeus of liquidity, it should just be... There we go. Thanks, Jordy. Teach Maya Trading. Or at Teach Maya Trading. Yeah, if you go check out that should be where my Instagram is. I need to actually post more photos there. I have all my little shorts on it, but I don't have any photos. I know that's probably bad. It doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Thanks, Jordy. I do have you as a friend, but that's for Unstoppable. There we go, Unstoppable, just for you. Okay, guys, I'm going to call it there because, like I said, I'm just going to be salty now, which is not good. And I've decided what I'm going to have for dinner. I'm going to go and have sushi. Sushi's good, and sushi's good for the soul. And I feel like I deserve it after that demolition of my whole ego right there. But it's fine. It's fine. I will call it there. One last little teaser, if you will. This is going to be happening soon. This is happening soon, guys. So just stay aware. Stay aware? Not stay aware. That's not right. It's happening soon. I'll then send out the link and I'll let you know when it is live. But it is happening soon. I'll only allow 50 to begin with, so that it's not absolutely chaotic, right? Let's try keep the chaos to a minimum as much as we can. But then just a little stay aware. There we go. Yeah, that's it, Jordy. That's it. That was the South African coming through. Moving on. I love you guys madly. Thank you for today. Can we throw some pepper on that salt? I mean, Williford, you probably could. I would, yeah. Anyways. It's bad. It's bad, but it's fine. I love you guys madly. I'll be back for tomorrow, London and New York session. Hell yeah. So hopefully I will see you guys then. Yeah, hopefully. And again, guys, if you enjoyed, if you had some fun, please like the stream. And if you guys are wanting to try out new prop firms, you can use any of my affiliated ones. Like I said, links are in the description. And my code is just teach Maya capital letters. I think that's it. That's it for me. yeah, that's it for me. So I'm gonna call it there. I love you guys madly, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great morning, afternoon, evening, wherever you are.